Hey everybody, Tim here, coming to you from the West DFW REI group on a sunny, chilly day in January. Coming to you excited with the announcement that I finally have made the time to schedule the next buying houses with no money, subject to the underlying mortgage remaining in place. I've had so many people come to me and ask when I was going to be doing the next one. A lot of folks on Facebook doing the same thing. So I finally made the time for it. So you actually have two big events coming up. One is in February coming up where yours truly is going to be teaching a class on the pros and cons of taking the deed subject to. It sounds cool to be able to get a house, but there's a lot of benefit. There's a lot of disadvantage to taking that deed on that property, and a lot of responsibility. We're going to get into that, how to recognize that, how to tell if that's a deal or not. So just come in here and get registered here. This is free to everybody. You're welcome to attend. Come learn all about this if you don't know anything about this type of transaction. But the really cool one is coming back here to the calendar, come back to March, and come down here to 20 March. This is the workshop. This is the all-day event that you've been waiting for. We're going to get into all aspects of how to do these kind of deals, the marketing, the conversations, the handling objections, some deal structuring, exit strategies, things like that. We're going to go through all that kind of stuff. We're also going to be getting into forbearance a little bit so that you understand what that is and what to look out for. So that's really something that's becoming very popular, and I think you're going to see a lot of them in the market conditions, the way things are today with COVID-19. Unfortunately, we still don't know when these pre-foreclosures are going to start hitting the market because the government keeps extending and protecting the homeowners, which I get that. But at some point, you're going to start seeing a flood of these types of deals coming to you. And we want to make sure that you're ready and prepared for what you're about to see and how to handle it. So here's what we're going to be talking about on the 20th of March is right here. Here's the agenda for it. Unfortunately, it's going to be an online event. We are not ready to go back to physical meetings as much as I'd love to do that. We're just not there yet. As you come down through here, here's the schedule for the day. I would highly recommend, if you've never seen any of my classes regarding subject twos, come in here and watch. Click right here on the testimonials. It'll take you right over to the testimonials of, and I've got a bunch of them here from past people that have attended the events, and it'd be better for you to hear it from them on what they thought of it, but there's a bunch of them there. And then come down here. If you are this will tell you the steps right here to get registered. Also, if you are a previous attendee, if you've attended my workshops in the past, then call the office. And you'd like to go again, call the office to get the special promo code, and that'll save you $150 off the event. So go check this out. Go listen to the testimonials of what people learned at that event and get signed up. I think we're going to have a very full house this time. We did last time, but I think we're going to have even more this time because I'm going to be announcing this on the Facebook groups too, that where people have been asking me about this. So look forward to seeing you. Again, go get registered. If you have questions, just reach out to us here on the Contact Us page on the group site. And again, hopefully you can attend the 6th February event as well. Just come in here and click on February. Come down here and click on this. This is a good event too, because we get into how to spot a sub-2, the benefits to the sellers, the benefits to you, the disadvantages, the risk, what kinds of things will keep you up at night, that kind of thing. So it's good. Both of them are. This one's free. Come check it out. The workshop is not. The workshop is, there is a charge for that, although it's peanuts considering what you're getting. Not only do you get all this content when the event's done, you get all the presentations, you get all the forms and contracts that you need to buy houses subject to. That's a part of it, but you also get the video and the audio for the whole day. So I throw in some bonuses on top of that. And I'm also willing to do some joint ventures with you on real deals that you may have if you need help on that. So again, the other thing I forgot to mention is the early bird discount expires on 14 March. Don't miss that deadline because the price goes up quite a bit after that. So make sure you get registered by 14 March. Look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.